Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to use Cloudy in VS Code. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to go to the menu icon on the bottom left side, then search for VS or Visual Studio Code, then open the first option, and now go to extensions on the left side, just right here. Then you should search for Cloudy, then go for the first option, and make sure that you have this option, Cloudy Code for VS Code. Click on Install, then click on Trust Publisher and Install. It will take a couple of minutes in order to install this software or this coding AI, so you'll have to wait. And make sure that you have this option here checked, auto update. Now give it the permission, click on allow access, and here you go. You can now click on mark on done, chat with Cloudy, pause conversation. Just check all these, then click on mark it undone. And now you can go and click on it. Now here you have this cloud icon on the top right side, click on it. And now you'll have to sign in or sign up. Now in order to sign up in Cloudy Code in VS Code, you'll have to get a pro subscription. So when I click on Cloudy, click on open, then here it will ask you to upgrade to max or pro. So keep that in mind. Once you are upgraded, you can now type here the prompt. It will be showing you here a chat message or a chat box. You can type here any prompt and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.